Hello. So today I want to talk about the process of putting code in the repository. So here we have example program, and the example program has an intentional mistake. The mistake I added is I put a line break in the library. That means that if I compile this code, it will not compile. If I say go build, as you can see, the program does not compile. However, there is nothing preventing Git from adding files which do not compile into the source code, into the repository. This is a problem because we want all the files added to the repository to be correct. So, one thing you can do is to type go fmt -e and then the file name, and if this command is successful, then you can git add the file name. However, it is possible that we forget to do this step. We are all humans, after all. So, in order to make this process of checking the source code automatically before adding it to the repository, I have written a small tool called G. This tool is in this folder. And here we can say it's a small binary that acts as Git. We can say git status, and then like git status, git log. Everything you will pass as a git parameter, you can pass it to Git. But it figures out if the file you're giving it is good or bad. So in order to install this software, what you can do is you can create an alias in your bash rc file. So let's go to the sample, and let's just say alias g equals this thing. So now if I type g, I get my, alias g. If I type g, I get my git command, and then whatever command you're used to doing. So I can do git init, and then I can do g status, and I can do git add sample.go, and then boom, it doesn't work because G will try to check the file, and if the file is incorrect, then it will not be added to the source code. Now, I think it's important to use this software instead of Git so that we can avoid inadvertently adding incorrect files into the source code. Now I will fix the file by changing the small mistake. Okay, I don't have to test it. I'm finished. I'm done. I don't have to test my software. I can just pretend maybe I forgot that I was supposed to test it, whatever. So now I'm gonna git add sample.go, and it works. It works because I fixed the error. Now, if I, on the other hand, if I have a mistake in the source code, then it doesn't work, and that's what you want. You want it not to be added because you don't want to add incorrect files to the source code. So this software is free, and you can get it at github.com/dataf3l/g. And I would also appreciate how does it work. Well, it works very simple. It's just a shell file, and it will check all the parameters when you're doing git add, for example, git add something. And then when you're checking the parameters with git add, what we're doing is that we're checking for each one of the files. We are checking to see if the file has a JavaScript extension, then we use the JavaScript checker, and if it has Go extension, the Go checker. So I would appreciate your help into improving this software by adding more cases, maybe for Python, maybe for HTML, and whatever. So for this matter, I have created some issues here. So feel free to work in any of these issues as you see fit. And if we use this program, then it will be useful because we will stop adding garbage in the repositories that we all contribute to. So that is all for now. Please try this software out and let me know if it is working for you. If it has bugs, please report the bugs in the issue tab. This is open source, so we cannot be putting any secrets in this software. And you just use it as regular Git. This is the installation procedure. It's very easy. I hope this will be useful for you guys, and hopefully this way you can save some time by using this software, and mostly we will save time for the reviewer of the software, because we will have the reviewer not, like, not have to review code which isn't even valid in the first place. So I think that will be important for all the projects, not just for the intra-company projects, but also open source projects as well. So you can use it in any project you want. Here in the recording, we see that the user is trying to add the invalid JavaScript file, and this is failing. But then if you correct the file, then you will. And also it can save characters, because instead of typing git, you can save these precious milliseconds by not typing these two IT characters. So productivity increase and everything. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you will enjoy using this software.